Good morning guys, it's James here from UK Car Clean. We are local today in Boyk. As you can see, it's a fairly wet and miserable day. We are performing a 3-stage car clean here on this Volkswagen Polo. The customer phoned me up to explain how it's having symptoms of EGR problems. We've been quoted over £700 for a new EGR to be supplied and fitted. The customer is doing this in preventing issues as well, hopefully trying to prevent this happening again. However, if the customer does require a new EGR, then at least he knows that the rest of the engine has been cleaned free of carbon as well as other residue build-up. So instead of just putting a new EGR valve onto this vehicle and the pipes being dirty, and basically the EGR will just get really plugged up again, if we can clear it prior to that, it's obviously a win-win situation for the customer. This service costs £149.99, including the service for a 3-stage car clean is with our hydrogen gas machine there. We also have our own branded substance here. It's a chemical cleaner. Basically this targets the oil residue build-up in amongst the EGR and turbo. It also helps dry out the carbon in preparation for the hydrogen clean. Our other substance is in our own chemical again. It's an injector cleaner. This substance is primarily ethanol. It's used for cleaning out the injector tips. Our machine is run off the car battery here, as you can see. The hydrogen hoses are in the air filter. This procedure, including diagnostics, takes roughly about an hour. Our diagnostic machine is already inside the vehicle. We performed the diagnostic. Found it. At the moment, we've cleared the codes. The previous code was the exhaust gas temperature sensor. That's another issue for the customer to sort as well. We use our RTL 908. This is the dealership level tool. Plugged in during the procedure for us to do live data logging and check to see how things are running. Little tip for everyone: when you're sitting in neutral in Volkswagens, don't let you rev up over 2,500 revs, as you can see here. However, with obviously the traction control light on, as you can see there, you put the clutch in as well. Just like that, let you rev up past it.